Oh yeah, packages are coming in. What do we have here? Throw this away. Nice. Blaze GLM 50C laser measure by Bosch. I really needed this. My older one, which I had like for 5-7 years, been acting up. So this is gonna be an awesome upgrade. And don't forget, when using sharp tools, use these gloves. Extreme challenging provided me by ArmorTech, which will keep me safe. I'm running out of the minute. If you want to see the rest of the unboxing, go to my YouTube channel. Thanks, Instagram. So what we have inside, isn't that a nice unboxing knife? I think it's the best one on all the Instagram and YouTube channels. It's actually by Falcon even in Sweden. But that's not about it. So we have the box open, and we have some plastic. Okay, so that's for safety. Some manuals. Maybe that's the target card. More manuals, box, out, and this is well packaged. It's not that easy to get into, but I don't think I can withstand my hunting knife. No, I can't. Little pouch to carry around, just like my older model had. Kind of keeps it the same, keeps it safe. It belongs to sticker, huh? Interesting. Strap to kind of carry around. Probably I'm not going to use it. 2 batteries. Protective screen protector. It's a nice little unit. So far it feels super light. I'm looking forward to using it. Maybe since we're done using these ArmorTech cut resistant, maximum cut resistant gloves, I can take them off. Let's see if we can insert some batteries. So pretty easy. One battery, second one. Oh no, the other way. You can see it can be mounted to a tripod with 1/4 mounting screw. Let's see if it starts. Oh yeah. I think it's already measuring something. Let's see in the functions. Area, volume, indirect, wall area, stakeout, memory, oh, level, length, real-time measuring, area. This can be also linked to your phone app, which I'm gonna be doing it for sure. It saves all the measurements on the field, and then you just go to your Excel or any other type of programs that it works with and just import it to your computer. Awesome. I can't wait. I'm not gonna say that it's super awesome at this point because I haven't really put into the work yet, Let's see if I can measure the real time. Oh no, actually let's do the length. Okay, whatever. I'm 6 feet and 6 inches and 1/16 away from my window, so it works good. All the letters are really nice and easy to read, and I'm sure it's going to be much easier to do it even in a low light. So let's make it low light. You can see it works. Light came back on. This is awesome. Thank you, Bosch. I can't wait for this thing to work. It's time to put my older Bosch, I forgot what the number, what it is, but it's basically failing me. It's gonna go into the bin, trash bin. Awesome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you like this video and would like to see more like this, and of course you have to subscribe to see my actual review of this unit after I have put it through the test of a couple of weeks at least of hard work, and we'll see how it does. See if it's still this nice, see if it is not broken and it still works. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Once again, thanks for watching and stay tuned.